Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add heading tags H1 to H6 in Weebly websites. This feature is essential for improving your website's SEO and creating a clear content hierarchy that search engines can easily understand. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Now look at the left menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath that option, you'll find Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed. This will show you all the websites associated with your account. Choose the website you want to edit from the list. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to open the editor page for your chosen website. Now you're on the editor page of your website. This is where all the magic happens. On the top menu, you'll notice several options. Click on Apps. This will redirect you to the Apps Center, where you can find various tools and extensions to enhance your website's functionality. In the Apps Center, use the search bar and type in H tag. This app is specifically designed to help you add and customize heading tags on your Weebly site. Once you find the H tag app in the search results, click on it to view more details. You'll see an Add button. Click it to begin the installation process. After clicking Add, a Connect button will appear. Click Connect to finalize the integration of the H tag app with your Weebly website. Now let's head back to the editor page in Weebly. Make sure you're on the Build section by checking the top menu. The Build tab is where you'll assemble and design your website's layout. Focus your attention on the left side menu. Scroll down until you find the Installed Apps section. This is where all your connected apps are stored and ready to use. You'll see the H tag app listed there. Simply click and drag the H tag app onto your website wherever you want to place a heading. Once you've positioned it, click on the H tag element to open the customization options. Here you have complete control over your heading. You can choose which tag you want, whether that's H1 for main titles, H2 for subheadings, or any tag down to H6. You can also adjust the font style, alignment, color, font weight, text transform, size, bottom margin, and even mobile size to ensure your headings look perfect on all devices. And there you have it. You've successfully added customizable heading tags to your Weebly website, improving both its structure and SEO performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.